Hello there guys, it's Minnesota Oliver and here back with another video. This is something a little different. 6 guns. I'm gonna do my favorite campaign mission. I know regular scheduled videos are going to start on Monday. Today I like to do it when no one's home because it's nice and quiet and there's no background noise in the videos. I know background noises suck every now and then because it's pain to deal with. Yeah, I got a few more videos to upload. I got a special one coming up dedicated to 2 people. I'm not going to tell you those people up. So, Fear and Load in Rico Town. I killed all 5 gang leaders. The barman asked now to find out who took my wife's body. So, let's do this. This is my favorite mission.
The saloon was quiet as a grave. Something didn't feel right.
That's gotta hurt.
Feels like someone used it for a game of nine pins. Takes a real something to hit a man from behind. You'll forgive me for the hard hello. It was the only way to get you to sit still and listen. To stop you from making the biggest mistake of your life.
The Witch Hunter.
Your barman ain't who he says he is. What the hell are you talking about? He don't even have a son. He's the sickest outlaw of them all. He's got his fingers in every vile act from here to the California coast. Like a spider, with a vast web of other bloodthirsty maniacs. He started the very gang, but they cut him out, you see. Thought they could do the ritual alone. So he decided they had to go. Ritual. It wasn't gold they were digging for down in them mines. It was the resting place. Some ancient cave paintings tell of a place of power, where dark forces can cross into this realm and wander the earth. It was buried long ago, but it can be reactivated by a dark ritual, and one witch has the power to perform it. You know this witch quite well. She used to be your wife.
She doesn't look like a witch.
Think about my wife. Untie me now.
No, I'm not gonna tell you.
I'm right. It's why you shot her. You finally realized what she was. I didn't.
Darling, I'm so glad you're here.
Look at those skulls. God damn it.
We've got something important to talk about. Wait! Don't!
Your wife still lives. Takes more than a few bullets to kill a witch. She needs to be stopped. If she reaches the place of darkness, if she can perform the ritual that reactivates it, then
Oh, God. Okay. Shut up. Which one? Shut the fuck up.
You're in for a heap of hurt.
Oh, wait, I forgot about something. Come here. Fish fight? In another video, I could probably go give you guys a rundown of what this game really is. That's 6 out of 15. Where's my gun I need? Yeah, you don't... Down on the ground. Yeah, really? Cool down the sheriff. This is funny. This feels like home, and I'll bet it does. I reckon I can help. Darn outlaws don't trust them. Oh goodness, it sounds like you boys are a part of something big, whatever it is I want in. Oh God, I love this mission. Piss off the guard. Really think I care? I don't. Ooh. Deals off, sucker. Ooh, what's that shining? Alright, puzzle time. That way? Yeah, shit. Near the abandoned train station. Alright, that's it for this episode, guys. That's it for this. I'd catch you. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, goodbye.